All right, it's time to pick up the pace. Start dancing to doo-wop music. Remember those days dancing in the basement to doo-wop? Let's get ready to step touch. Starting with the right foot, step touch. That's right. Crinolines, bobby socks, saddle shoes. I never did, but lots of people did. 4 more. This great music, by the way, is from Ralph Carter. Now we're going to take it to the front. Ready? And step front. And back. Woo! Have fun with it now. Come on. Front again. And back. Now we're going to go step touch to the side. Step touch. Other side. Step touch to the left. Step touch. That's right. Last time like this. Now we're going to add the arms. Other side. Single arm, shoulder height. 2 arms, shoulder height. Woo! That's right. Now both arms high up. Woo! Reach for it. Take it from the top. Step touch front. Take it back. Front again. That's right. Keep breathing, chest lifted, tummy in, and back. To the side with arms. Other side. 2, so shoulder height. 2 arms, shoulder height. And now reach it up. Love that sax. Now, temptation walk. Cross, back, apart. Step front, across, back, apart. My boyfriend calls it the temptation walk because it's what the Temptations used to do. Now take it from the top. Step touch. Step touch. Take it back. That's right. Front again. And back. Now we're going to double step to the side with the arms. Good going. Single arm, shoulder height. Other side. Double arm, shoulder height. Now reach up with both arms. Now I'm going to do temptation walk and cross and back and open. By the way, that deep voice, that bass voice, that's my boyfriend, Richard Perry, singing. He used to have a doo-wop group. Now we're going to start a new step. Step, kick up. Get it up. Working your hamstrings. Try to get your heel as high as you can. That's right. Keep the abs in, chest lifted. Now take it from the top. Step touch. Good going. And take it back. Front again. Step touch. Woo! And back. Now step side with arms. Other side. Single arm, shoulder height. 2 arms, shoulder height. Now we lift it way up. Temptation walk. Good going. Front, across, back, open. 2 more times. Last time. Now we're going to do hamstrings again. That's step kick, step kick. Work those hamstrings. And breathe. Don't let yourself get breathless. Good. Like that bass voice. And march in place. So we're going to march in place, catch our breath. How do you feel? On a scale of 1 to 10, maybe around 5 in terms of intensity. Be sure you can breathe and talk. Now we're going to get ready to step touch to the corner and step touch. Good going. Keep your chest and pelvis forward while you step touch to the corner. Chest lifted. Abs in. Now turn it into a rocking horse. Yeah. Oh yeah. Have fun. Rock it. That's right. Now get ready because we're going to start marching with the left foot. See, we're switching to the other side now. This is good. Now we're going to do a hand jive. Up and down and scissor. Again, that's up and down and scissor. Up down, scissor. Keep marching while you're doing this. Up. Oh yeah, scissor. Up, down, scissor. Now step touch front. We're taking it right from the top. And back. Front again. And take it back. Keep breathing. Be sure you can talk. Side arm. Notice it's the other side now. One arm, shoulder height. Two arms, shoulder height. Bring everything to the opposite side. Now reach high. Temptation walk. And front, across, back, apart. Front, across, back. One more time. Front, across. Get ready for hamstrings and step. Kick it up. Energy, come on. Get it up. Kick your butt. Work those hamstrings. And take it from the top. Step touch. And take it back. Front again. And back. Hands to the side. Arm, shoulder height. Double arm, shoulder height. And to the ceiling. Temptation walk. That's right. Keep breathing. Front, across, back, side, front, across. Get ready for hamstring. Step kick. Woo! Get it up. That's right. Can you carry on a conversation? Just to be sure, I'm going to ask you to count down with me. That'll really let me know that you're breathing and talking. Ready? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Make it big. 2, 1. Now march it out. Left, right, left, right. That's good. Now get ready to step touch. Step touch. Now get ready to step touch to the corner. To the corner. Have fun with it now. Huh? That's good. Few more. Now we're going to do rocking horse next. Hey, you could do this on a dance floor. People would think you were crazy, but maybe not. Or maybe you don't know who to go out with. Ask Allison, the matchmaker. Or Dexter is single, huh? Now march. That's great going. Now on the next song, we're going to do a new move. I'm going to circle you starting to the right. Ready? To the right. Woo! And march in place. Have fun to the left. And march in place. Take it to the right again. Oh, Bonnie, looking good. And march in place. Take it to the left. Okay, now I'm going to teach you a hand jive. Slap, slap, clap, clap, scissor. Again, slap, slap, clap, clap, scissor. Keep your feet moving. Keep marching. Don't let the pulse drop. Woo! And scissor. 4 more times. Scissor. Get into it now. And scissor. 2 more times. Last time. Now we're going to take it to the circle right. Looking good, Dexter. To the left. Slap, slap, clap, clap, scissor. To the right again. Hand jive. Scissor. Slap, slap, clap, clap. New step now. 1, 2, 3, knee raise. That's good. Left knee, right knee, left knee, right knee, tummy in. Now bring it forward. 1, 2, 3, knee lift and back. Again, front, knee lift. 2 more times. Great. Front. Now stay here and just knee lift. Good going. How do you feel? Keep breathing. Breathe and pull in your stomach and lift your chest and have fun. Now bring it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk it back and take it out and in. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk it back and out and in. Walk it forward and back and out and in. Step, heel, step, knee, step, knee, step, knee. Walk back and take it from the top. Circle right. Now get ready to hand jive. Slap, slap, clap, clap, scissor. To the left. Hand jive. Right again. Hand jive. Keep your feet moving. Take it to the left. Oh, looking good, guys. Slap, slap, clap, clap, step. Now, step and back. Again. And back. Twice more. That's good. Keep going. Pull up tall. Now, 16 knees in place. Now, get it up. Yeah, baby. Go for it now. Get with the groove. Now we're going to bring it to the front. Step knee, step knee, step knee. Walk it back and take it out and in. Step knee, step knee, step knee, step knee, and back. And out and in. Again. And walk it back. Take it out and in. Front. And back. And out and in and march it out. Now this ends the doo-wop section. Next we're going to go to Latin music. And if you're stopping here, please be sure to do the cool down. It's really important.